Looking for a simple and easy way to get your visa but confused? Introducing BLS International, your trusted partner for hassle-free visa applications. Presenting a step-by-step guide for getting your visa. You may please visit BLS International website. You may please select your travel destination and pick a visa based on your travel requirement. Kindly complete the online form and double-check all the details. After you book an appointment, please schedule a visit to the BLS International Center if your visa type requires it. Once you visit the BLS International Center, kindly submit your application and track the visa application progress on BLS International website. Finally, collect your visa, collect your passport, and verify your visa details, and that's it. You're ready to fly.